iCarly presents
I Crush It!
This week's episode,
a microwave oven filled with toothpaste.
Yeah! I like cheeses!
Especially on nachos. So
Okay.
delicious. That was silly.
but you know what's not silly?
Crushing things.
Oh no.
Nope.
Crushing things is serious business.
Business!
Okay. Here at iCarly.com, you've seen Spencer crush a lot of things.
Yes. So many things.
So many things. But now,
We're gonna crush something.
The old-fashioned way.
with a big truck! But what shall we crush?
What shall we crush?
What shall we crush?
I know what we can crush with our large truck.
What?
A microwave oven filled with big tubes of toothpaste. And now we set the microwave down in the middle of the parking lot.
I am starting the truck! Yeah. Oh, you want some more microwave? Let's say we get one more time.
And now Spencer will interview what he just crushed.
So, what was it like having me drive a truck over you? Was it fun? Did it feel nice? What's your favorite music performer? I like that Katy Perry. You? ABBA? Do you like ABBA? You're probably too young to know who ABBA is, huh? Are you married? Children? Do they watch iCarly? Want me to call you an ambulance? You're probably going to be pretty sore tomorrow, huh? Okay.